We are learning to name and identify features of non-fiction texts. Non-fiction books are based on fact, so they tell us things about real life and they explain and inform. They don't tell a story necessarily. They're teaching us about real things. Now, when we talk about the features of a non-fiction text, we're just talking about the parts of the text that help us understand it. To talk about the features of a non-fiction text, we're going to look at this text called Pigs by Beverly Randall. Now, one of the first features that we notice about a non-fiction text is that it has a title, and that the title is usually going to tell us exactly what we're going to learn about. In this book, that's exactly the case. It is about pigs, and the title is Pigs. As simple as that. And another feature of a non-fiction text is a photograph. Now, we know that we're going to learn about the real world because there is an actual photo, rather than an illustration, an actual photo of pigs on the front. So it is about the real world. Non-fiction texts also have contents pages, and you can normally find these on the very first page once you've opened the book. Now, a contents page tells us exactly what we're going to find in the book and on what page. So the title of page 2, for example, is All Sorts of Pigs. So I know that if I turn to page 2, I'm going to learn about all the different sorts of pigs. But if I turn to page 12, for example, I'm going to learn about how to care for pigs because the title of that page is Caring for Pigs. This is really useful because I might decide that I don't actually want to read the whole book, but I do need to know about pigs on farms. That's the specific information I need, and so I'm going to go to page 8 for that.